What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Kalapalam Cousins. My god, there's somebody right there. Okay, let's go to some other place to do my intro. So, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kalapalam Cousins. It's me, Saket.
It's me, Akash.
And today we are all back with another vlog slash challenge. So, today's vlog slash challenge is actually more of a challenge. And we're doing the Korean noodles challenge. And look who's here. Raghav, come.
Hey, you see me going over?
Okay, he ran away. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you what this Korean noodles are. They're awesome. Let me just show you in detail. Alright, guys. So the noodles we have right here is the Nissin. Wait, let me show you the logo clearly. It is the Nissin Geki hot and spicy Korean veg flavor. Okay, it's really hot and spicy. It's literally written there, and there's a kid trying to work his butt off eating that. And it's also written here, deliciousness with spiciness, Korean veg taste. It's vegetarian because we are vegetarian, and it's really simple to cook. You just need to boil the water, add these noodles, and then just put the the taste makers and spices, and you're done. So it's really cool. It's easy, just like Maggi that we are used to eat. And this is going to be a challenge because Vaishnavi already tried this, and she said it's really hard, right? Because this guy tried it already before.
It was very hot.
He couldn't even finish the bowl halfway through. So we are gonna have some fun. And if you guys don't know, I'm not a guy who can handle spiciness. So it's gonna be really hard for me. And yeah, and the girls are also gonna join us. Vaishnavi, Aswini, and Harini are gonna join us. I'm gonna put their links to the YouTube channel or Instagram down below. Go check them out. And yeah, right now we are gonna go into the video. So the contestants are right here.
Hi guys, this is Raghav and Ruth, and I hope I win this challenge because I am not good at spicy things. Hey guys, my name is Akash Kartikeya, and this is a piece of cake for me.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi and I don't even know why I'm here.
Hi guys, I'm Harini and I don't even care if I lose this challenge. So,
This is Ashwini. I'm gonna win this challenge for sure, and all are gonna.
Hi guys, I'm Saket, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna win this challenge, but I'm gonna try my best as I'm not good with spices. Guys, so right now we are back after the introductions have been finished, and we are gonna start cooking the noodles for everyone, and we are gonna do the challenge. So yeah, first we gotta find a place where we're gonna do the challenge. So I'll meet you guys when we start cooking. Yeah.
Peace out.
I don't know.
Boiled the noodles here and we strained out the water. So now we're gonna mix the taste maker and the seasoning oil. So let's do that.
So we just have seasoning mix right here, and we also have seasoning oil. This kind of looks like red chili sauce, so it's gonna be really spicy.
Seasoning oil too.
Yes.
And this is seasoning oil. And this is also seasoning.
Vaishu, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think you'll be able to finish it?
Definitely.
There is a
But I don't even know why I'm here.
there are like
Right. So yeah, what do you want to say?
On the camera, the color looks really different. But in real life, it's way.
No, I think it's the same color.
No, it's not.
No.
Is it? No, it's
a bit
not.
orange.
Yeah, in the camera it's a bit orange. Right here it's completely red. Oh my god.
Oh, bro.
Okay.
Cakewalk. Guys,
So
I'm very.
let's get ready to eat this in
Amma.
3, 2,
I'm
1.
about just to eat.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start the challenge right now. Let's start it. Okay guys, so we are all here with our noodles, and this is really spicy. Let's all put it together, come on. Let's all put it together. It looks so red. Once again, I'm just gonna make a small shot about it. Okay, so guys, so this is our noodles right here. It looks spicy, and it's gonna be really hard for us to eat it. And basically what the challenge is, that the first person who finishes the food who finishes their noodles in this round without drinking any water, they get to go to the second level in one of our future challenges that's coming up tomorrow actually. Yeah. So yeah, that's the challenge and let's start it. Okay guys, so right now we are back and we're gonna start the challenge. So yeah, let's just get into it.
In 3.
Wait, let's all take a small bite first because this is my first time and I'm not sure if I like the taste. So 3, 2, 1.
No!
No!
Should we start eating? Should we start eating? Thank you.
In 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not even joking.
Why are we still here?
It's a piece of cake for me.
Guys, like literally, I can feel the heat coming out of my ears. And you have to remember, the first one to finish this.
She already finished this one, bro. She already finished this one, bro.
Oh my god!
Okay, she's done.
Hello, that's still left.
There's still a lot of it left.
Oh my god, I'm done. I pin.
Oh my god, where's the claps?
I think I'm in second.
Hello, no, it's not done yet.
It's not done yet, you have to eat everyone.
If everyone can't eat, please give it to me, I can eat it. I'll make you guys win. Okay. Me, I'm going to the next round.
It's so tasty.
Inka mundi. Inka mundi tinu. Hello, mundi tina. Nen dinna latte? Okay, I'll make her win.
No, you can't eat it. You have to give her. She has to eat.
Okay. Raghav, you are the last one. Hello. Looking, guys.
Rakesh.
నేను ఇలాగే తింటా.
Done.
Yay! Vaishnavi, Harini and Ashwini are done.
Oh no.
Raghav, you're done. He's done.
I'm not.
Raghav.
Akash is done as well.
Raghav is out of the challenge.
No.
Then eat it.
Then eat it.
Then eat it.
No, you can't. You have to eat it. Then you're out of the
Raghav,
challenge.
if you can't eat, you can leave it. You're just not gonna. Okay. Vaishnavi is going to the next
Raghav is-
round.
Guys, I'm out.
He's
Can
out
I
of the
eat
challenge.
it? Can I eat it?
Okay, yeah. So Raghav just went out and oh my god, it's so spicy.
Me and Ashwini are eating his food.
They started eating again. Like what?
So this is spicy. Wait, I think
What?
I'm happy that I can.
You finished.
Yeah, me too. I agree first. That was the last.
Guys, come on.
I just got it.
I'm done. Easy peasy.
Can we eat it? Drink
Are we
water
gonna
now?
eat again?
Can we drink
I
water
can.
now? Can we drink
Even
water?
I can eat another packet.
My lips are burning.
So I am technically in the second round, right?
Done.
Bro, guys, this is the worst challenge ever.
We didn't do any more challenges.
Yeah.
I still did not drink water. Me and Ashwini, both of us, we still did not drink water.
Alright guys. So
Bondara.
Rana, khana dole.
you guys can see. You guys can see. My tongue is literally on fire. And Vaishnavi literally finished first. Clap for her. And she gets to go to level 2 in the future challenge, which is tomorrow. And check in the comments to find out what tomorrow's challenge is. And as you guys know, Raghav skipped. I mean, he technically left the challenge.
And we ate his food.
And so he's one of the losers, and I'm the one who finished last. So I'm one of the losers. So me and Raghav, I'm gonna face some punishments right now, and we're not ready for it. So let's cut to our punishments. Okay, we are in the left right now. We are going downstairs to the court where me and Raghav are gonna run 5 rounds without slippers. And the temperature is literally 13 degrees Celsius, so it's gonna be really hard for us. Oh, it dropped to 13 right now.
It's 19.
Alright. Okay. Okay, sorry for click. Yes, sorry for clickbait, but yes, it is 19, but that's still cold.
What we do on this channel.
Yeah, that's not what we do. And it's literally 19 and it's really cold and dark. And Vaishyu is gonna be a cameraman for time lapse. And yeah, we are gonna run. Oh my god, this is more cold. Oh,
Stand up sometimes.
nah.
Akash, why are you running?
Okay, so we are supposed to run around this area, which is really cold. So look, the way we are gonna run is like this. We start here, we go around this thing, and then we go inside, we take one turn, come back and go again.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like a U shape.
One round counts when you come here, right?
Yes.
Okay. One
So,
round
and
counts
that,
when you
that's,
come here.
you have to do 5 of them.
Okay.
So you better go stand over here
Yeah.
and take the video, okay? That's already. Yes, Akash is also doing with us because he wants to help us, but he has slippers and we don't, and it's really hurting us. So yeah, let's start.
Yeah.
Guys, this is gonna be so cool. Oh my god, it's literally so cool. Oh my god. Raghav, come on. Where's Raghav going? Why did he bring that now? Raghav, drop that and come. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, we gotta go under this. Alright. Oh my god. Jogging. It's good. Whew. It's hurting my feet so bad. I always have to go under this thing. Why does he have that thing in his hand? Alright. Oh, alright. This is the 4th round we're doing. Alright. So yeah. Meet you guys after we finish our 4th round. Alright. 5th round just started. Oh my god. At this point my feet are like gone. They're literally gone, yeah. I can't feel them anymore. It's literally so cold. I can't feel my feet anymore. I'm just walking automatically. Oh my god, this is crazy. You guys can see the fog out there. So foggy also. My god. Yes. We're doing it. A bit more further. And yeah! Raghav, we finished it.
You know, like my Saket, show my tiny finger. Oh my god.
I don't think that looks good. Okay, anyways. Alright. So my legs are freezing right now. And oh my god. Look at all my cousins. Look at them. They're literally just enjoying while me and Raghav. Alright.
Guys,
So that was nice. I mean, noodles was nice. Not the challenge. But yeah, I'll meet you guys. Actually, wait, let me do the.
This is the worst challenge ever, guys.
It's like this is the first challenge and you already call it the worst challenge. So funny. Alright. Okay guys, so that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Me and Raghav did not like it, I'll say that. But Vaishu liked it because she's gonna get a free pass to level 2. Yeah, Vaishu's gonna get a free pass to level 2 in the next challenge that's coming up tomorrow. I'm gonna comment down the title of the challenge. Hope you guys liked today's video. We will see you guys tomorrow. Smash the like button and we'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.
Thanks for watching.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do it.
I'm gonna back up.
Oh! Guys!